Hey guys, good morning. So just now I came back from college. So now first of all I'll have freshen up, and then I'll took rest. I'll take rest. Uh, Before rest I will have meal, and then I'll take rest. So guys, today the exam has finished. Just external has not completed. So I have 3 days to for the preparing exam. Not to I'll not to prepare for them. Just that is only practical which I can uh, write properly and can tell. So okay, so we'll continue our regular task from today. So just now I'll have freshen up, and after that whatever today's routine I'll follow them. So okay, so now I'm going to freshen up. Let's go. So guys, I just came back from tuition. So now I want to complete my regular tasks. So I'll follow my regular routine. And also guys, from today I want to start my 365 days challenge regularly, because I'm also making my blogs like just for doing like my responsibility, like, but I want to improve myself. So from today I'll start, but my mind says that just for today to take a rest, and then from tomorrow we'll start. But if we avoid our day and our task on tomorrow, then this will uh, wi- uh, com- this will never complete. So now, first of all I'm going to have freshen up, and after that I'll do meditation. And then guys, if possible, I'll do rest, and then I'll complete my regular tasks. So guys, I want to improve my vocabulary, because sometimes uh, I'm going to make a sentence, or I'm going to going to do speech, but at that time, due to lack of vocabulary, I can't speak properly. So I want to improve that. So every time, when I go to speak, when I'm going to speak, uh, at that time I hesitated what should I do. But at that time I don't stop, because whatever in my mind I just speak. And guys, today I did not make any videos. So when I get back from college, at that time I just took a rest. I had a meal, and after that I'll go for bed and watching mobile. So I thought I'll uh, watch movie, but I can't. So tomorrow I'll watch movie, but that now it's time to complete my overall task. So 3 months ago, when what which I want completed, I added like that. I want to complete regular my vocabulary, as well as my proper meditation. And so many tasks are pending. So I want to complete properly. And from today I'll start editing also, because since 3 months, 2 to 3 months, I did not attention on my task. So okay, so now I am going to freshen up. So let's go. So guys, sometime ago, as per I said that I will go for the freshen up, but after that I don't know when I go for mobile, and just I watch mobile for 1.5 hour, and I just realized that I'm what I wanted to do, and what I'm doing. So okay, so now I'm going to freshen up, because I'm feeling so much sleepy. So yesterday I sleep at 2 a.m. and wake up at 6, I think 7. So that's why I did not complete my sleep. And after that in day I did not sleep properly. So that's why. So okay, now first of all I'll complete my regular task, and I think I can't complete my regular studies and regular my all the 365 days challenge. So I think vocabulary will not complete it today itself, today also. So first of all I'll complete my regular tasks. So whatever it's so okay. Let's guys, I just did meditation. So now I'm going to have meal, and after that I'll plan what will do for tomorrow. So if I avoid my task for tomorrow, and whatever it is, so it will not I will never do anything. So that's why after having meal I'll do plan for the and make a schedule for tomorrow. So every day I want to study at least 6 to 8 hours, and from starting I don't know how will I do, but I think it's will so too much because excitement and so much motivational will not improve my study skills. So I'll start with discipline, that is start with 2 to 4 hours. So small efforts uh, will get a big success. It's my mindset will. Okay, so now I'm going to have meal. So let's go. I'm completing all the tasks. I'll do study. So guys, I want to upload my videos, but I have no network, and data has run out. So that's why I can't upload my videos. So okay, so if possible I will upload. So let's go. So guys, I just had meal, and after that I went for the walk. uh, I can't make video because my mobile was on charge. So okay, now I'm going to complete my regular task, and as well as make schedule for tomorrow. So I am starting from tomorrow, sorry, just now. So whatever will I will tell in future, because I don't want to share. And guys, in my starting video from today, in my starting video of today, so there will be quality issue of camera, and I did not make again because I was so tired. And guys, I previously tell you that uh, I just make video for my speaking English improvement and nothing all, and I am not making video for earning and views and nothing all. You can see that my videos with no views. So okay, now that's it for today's blog. I'm ending this blog here. Okay, we'll meet another one. Bye bye.